Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will solve exercise 31.3. The question number 1 says find the gradient of each of these lines and their y-intercept. We know our equation for a straight line, that is y equal to mx plus c, where m is called the gradient, and c will be called y-intercept. So by using this idea, we can easily solve this problem. So 1 and A, if I want to just convert y equal to 3 in this way, then we can write y equal to 0 into x plus 3. Then the gradient of m will be 0 and y-intercept c will be 3. Very simple. For number B, y equal to 2x can be written as y equal to 2x plus 0, where m should be 2, that means the gradient will be 2, and c, that means y-intercept will be 0. Now, number C, y equal to thrice x minus 2. So what will be the value of m? If I want to compare this equation to y equal to mx plus c, m should be 3 and c should be negative 2. Number D, y equal to 5x minus 3. The gradient m will be 5 and y-intercept c equal to minus 3. Okay. For number E here, m will be 5 because y equal to mx plus c. So 5x. So 5 will be the gradient and c will be 2. That means c will be called the y-intercept. For F, y equal to 2x plus 7. So here the gradient m will be 2 and c y-intercept will be 7. Okay. Number G, y equal to, we can just express this idea in that way. Y equal to minus 2x plus 7. Then m will be negative 2 and c will be called y-intercept, that will be 7. Number 8, y equal to 9 minus 3x. So we can write this one in that way. Y equal to minus 3x plus 9. Then m, that means gradient will be negative 3 and c, that is y-intercept, will be 9. So that is the solution of number 1. I hope you understand this idea properly. Now, in the similar way, we will solve question number 2. That is very simple. Now, number 8, y plus 4 equal to 0 also can be written as y equal to 0 into x minus 4. Okay, just we are rearranging this straight line in that way, y equal to mx plus c. Then what will be the gradient m? That will be 0 and c, y-intercept will be minus 4. Okay. Number B, y plus 3x equal to 0 can be written as y equal to minus thrice x plus 0. Then m, the gradient will be minus 3 and c, y-intercept will be 0. Number C, y equal to minus 2x plus 5. Then the gradient m will be negative 2 and y-intercept c will be 5. Number D, y equal to 5x plus 1. Then the gradient m will be 5 and c, y-intercept will be 1. Okay. Number E, we need to just convert this one into y equal to mx plus c. So at first we are moving this 4x on another side, then it will be 2y equal to minus 4x plus 7. Then if we want to divide the both side by 2, then it will be y equal to minus 2x plus 7 by 2. Then what will be the gradient? Gradient m will be negative 2 and c, that is y-intercept, will be 7 by 2 or 3.5 or 3 whole 1 by 2. Now number F, if I want to write this one in this way, then we can say 2y equal to minus 3x plus 8. Then y will be minus 3 by 2x plus 8 by 2 will be 4. Okay. Number G, 6x plus 5y equal to 10. So 5y can be written as 5y equal to minus 6x plus 10. Now y should be minus 6 by 5 into x plus 10 by 5 will be 2. Then what will be the gradient? Gradient of g will be minus 6 by 5 and y-intercept c equal to 2. And the gradient y-intercept of f will be m equal to minus 3 by 2 and y-intercept, that is c, will be called 4. Okay. H, the last one. So this equation can be expressed in that way, f5y equal to minus 2x plus 15. So what will be the value of y? Minus 2 by 5x plus 15 by 5 will be 3. Then we can write the gradient m will be minus 2 by 5 and c, that means y-intercept will be 3. Okay, very simple. Now we'll start question number 3. Now question number 3 says, write down the equation of each of these straight lines. So we need to draw the straight line. So A, gradient 3, that means at question number A, m equal to 3 and this line passing through 0, 2. আমি এটা pass করি 0, 2 দিয়ে. So how can we make the equation of this straight line? We know that y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of a straight line. So here, if m equal to 3, that means gradient equal to 3, then we can write y equal to 3 plus c. And this line passing through 0, 2. Since the equation of this straight line passing through 0, 2, so we can say this point will satisfy this equation. So what will be the value of c? Just put the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. What will we get? We will get 2 equal to 3 multiplied by 0 plus c. That means c equal to 2. So the final answer, that means y equal to mx plus c. That means it will be 3 plus 2. This is the answer of question number 3A. Okay. Now question number 3B. Y equal to, look, the gradient equal to minus 1. So y will be minus x plus c because m will be minus 1. Okay. And c is called the y-intercept. Now put the value of x and y in this equation. So it will be 4 equal to minus 0 plus c. That means c equal to 4. So what will be the final answer? Final answer will be y equal to minus x plus 4. Now question number C. Question number C says gradient 5 when passing through 0, 0. So the equation will be y equal to 5x. Okay. And this one passing through 0, 0. So if we put the value of 0 in y and the value of 0 in x, we'll get 0 equal to 0 plus c. So 0, c equal to 0. So what will be the final answer? Y equal to 5x. Okay. Very simple. Now question number D. D says gradient 4. That means m equal to 4. So the equation will be y equal to 4x plus c. And it passing through 0 minus 1. So it will be minus 1 equal to 4 into 0 plus c. So c equal to minus 1. Then what will be the equation of the straight line? That will be y equal to mx. That means 4x. The c is minus 1. So minus 1. Y equal to 4x minus 1 will be the answer of question number D. Number E, the gradient. That means m equal to minus 2. So the equation will be y equal to minus 2x plus c. And it is passing through 0, 5. So we can write 5 equal to 0 plus c. So c equal to 5. So what is the final equation? That will be y equal to minus 2x. And the value of c is 5. So minus 2x plus 5 will be the final answer of question number E. Now the last problem, question number F. Gradient 3. So m equal to 3 and it passing through the origin. Passing through the origin means passing through 0, 0 point. So what will be the equation? Equation will be y equal to mx plus c. That means y equal to 3x plus c. Since this straight line passing through 0, 0. So y should be 0 and x should be 0, c equal to 0. So the final equation of the straight line will be y equal to thrice x. Okay, if we put the value of c in this straight line. And that is the solution of question number 3. I hope you understand this segment properly. Now, question number 4. Find the equation of this straight line. To find the equation of this straight line, we need to find out the gradient and y-intercept. We can easily see this, that y-intercept is 0 right now because in y-axis, it cuts through the origin. So, y-axis is 0. So, here for A, c equal to 0. Okay. And what will be the gradient? Gradient will be y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. So this is 0, 0. So y1 minus y2 means 12 minus 0 by x1 minus x2, 3 minus 0. So 12 by 3 is 4. So y equal to 4x plus 0. So final answer will be y equal to 4x. Okay. So just we are using the idea y equal to mx plus c. Okay. So this one represent actually 0, 1. Okay. So what will be the gradient? Gradient m will be y1 minus y2. So 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 0. That is 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. So what is the equation right now? Here, since it cuts in this point, that means in y-axis, it cuts at plus 1. So final answer will be y equal to mx. That means half of x plus c. C is 1. Okay, very simple. At number C, we can see this one. We are writing the answer here. Here we can see what will be the gradient. We need to find out the gradient. At first, this 1 will be the y-intercept. So C will be the 1. And what is the point here? We can say that will be 0, 1. Now, from minus 2, 4 and 0, 1, the gradient m will be y1 minus y2. That means 4 minus 1 by minus 2 minus 0. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 by minus 2. Okay. So what is the equation? Equation will be y equal to mx plus c. M is minus 3 by 2. Then x plus the value of c is 1. Okay. So this is the final answer of this problem. Now, question number D. Question number D, here, minus 5 is called the y-intercept. So, C equal to minus 5. Okay. And here, we need to find out the gradient m. So, look, minus 5 represent actually 0, minus 5. And minus 2 actually represent minus 2, 0. Then what will be the gradient? Gradient will be y1 minus y2. That means minus 5 minus 0 by 0 minus minus 2. That means 0 plus 2. Minus 5 by 2 is the gradient. So what is the final answer? If I want to find out, that is y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation for a straight line. And m is minus 5 by 2 here. Minus 5 by 2x plus c is minus 5. Okay. So final answer will be y equal to minus 5 by 2x minus 5. And this is the answer of question number 4. We can easily find out the equation of these straight lines from the graph. Now, number 5. Number 5 says, find the equation of each of these lines. Now, we need to find out the equation. 5a. So here, the gradient, a line with gradient minus 3 by 4. That means gradient m equal to minus 3 by 4. And it is passing through the point 3, 0. So, what is the equation? Equation will be y equal to mx plus c. That means y equal to minus 3 by 4x plus c. And it is passing through 3, 0. So 0 equal to minus 3 by 4 into 3 plus 6. Then the value of c will be 9 by 4. Then the equation of this straight line will be y equal to mx. That means minus 3 by 4x. And what is the value of c? 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Done. Number B. Number B, a line passing through 1, 4 and 4, 7. So at first we need to find out the gradient. Gradient m will be y1 minus y2. So 4 minus 7 by 1 minus 4. Y1 minus Y2, that means difference of ordinate by difference of abscissa. Okay. So 4 minus 7 by 1 minus 4. That will be minus 3 by 1 minus 4 will be minus 3. So minus 3 divided by minus 3 will be 1. Okay. So the equation will be y equal to mx. That means 1 into x plus c. And it is passing through 1, 4 and 4, 7. So any point we can use. So if I want to use 1, 4, that means y is 4 and x is 1. Then the value of c will be 4 minus 1, 3. Then the final equation, that means the equation of straight line will be y equal to mx plus c. That means 1 into x plus c is 3. So the final answer equal to y equal to x plus 3. So this is the equation of this straight line. In a similar way, we can solve number c. At first, we need to find out the gradient. Gradient equal to y1 minus y2. So 9 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. 9 minus 3, that will be 6. 5 minus 2, that will be 3. 6 by 3, that will be 2. So what will be the equation? Equation will be y equal to mx plus c. So 2x plus c. Okay. Where m equal to 2. Now, if this equation passing through 2, 3 and 5, then so any point we can use. So the value of y is 3. The value of x is 2. Then the final y-intercept will be 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So what is the answer? The answer will be y equal to 2x minus 1. This is the equation of this straight line. Okay, I hope you understand this one properly. Now, question number D. In question number D, the same problem, we need to find out the gradient at first. So m equal to y1 minus y2. So 5 minus 7 by minus 1 minus 3. 5 plus 7, that will be 12 minus 4. So it will be minus 3. Now, what is the equation? Equation will be y equal to mx plus c. And it is passing through minus 1, 5. So y should be 5 and x should be minus 1. Okay. Then what will be the value of c? C should be 5. Minus going to say plus 3. So if I want to move minus plus 3 on this side, it will be minus 3. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So the final equation of the straight line will be y equal to mx. So minus 3x plus 2. Now our last problem, question number E. Similar way, we need to find out the gradient m. So y1 minus y2, 1 minus 1 by x1 minus x2. 1 plus 1 will be 2, 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. Now, the equation will be y equal to minus 2 by 3x plus c. Since it passed through 3, 1, so the value of y will be 1. So 1 equal to minus 2 by 3. The value of x is 3 plus c. Now, if I cut 3 and 3, then c will be 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Then what is the final answer? Minus 2 by 3 x. The value of c is 3. So this is the equation of the straight line. So the main thing is that equation of a straight line is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So by using this idea, we can solve all problems from the chapter. I hope you understand this one properly.